Donut Duster Lonnie here, and today we're going to do a shaving video, and then we're going to style the stash. If you haven't already, remember to join Keepers of the Stash at Keepers of the Stash. If you got a mustache, you're a keeper, so join Keepers of the Stash. Also, if you saw a recent post I made, I also got a nice care package from Tacs, which included this cool shirt. It is a cool shirt indeed. It fits really well too. Also, along with this came a tin of their shave soap. And I'm really eager to try this out. In fact, this is going to be the focus of today's video. That is really nice. And then finally, a shave brush. Now, for all you shave experts out there, this is actually the first time I've ever used shave soap and a brush. I normally use it from a tin. This is going to be exciting for me. I'm eager to try this out. Now, in talking about the shave soap with Tacs, obviously it's for the face, but I also shave my head, and I've been using a different lotion for that if you've seen my videos. This has lanolin in it, so we're going to go ahead and try it for my head shave as well. So 3 different segments for today's video: face shave, head shave, and then we'll style the mustache. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the shaving part, and then we'll be back with regular voiceover for the remaining part of that. So enjoy. All right, that shave went really well, and that smells great. Tacs also makes a aftershave lotion. That also smells great. Don't need a whole lot. And if you saw an earlier video that I used with this, it really does soothe the skin, but it also will close any minor nicks that you might get. That feels really good. That's like therapeutic right there. All right, so boy, that shave went really nice. I enjoyed that. That tin of shave soap worked out really well. So let's go ahead and move on to the head. Stay tuned. Right, so for the head shave, soap also worked excellent and smells great. Razor went over the skin, smooth, and really enjoyed that. Again, I'm going to use this Brass Tacs balm lotion on my head just to soothe the razor irritation, and that just really feels nice, smells great. Overall, very happy with the result. So now we're going to move on to styling the mustache, and in the next segment, and we're going to use the Brass Tacs mustache wax for that. Hang tight. All right, so time for the mustache. So first thing I do is I wash it out, get out any oils, residue from the prior day out first. For that, if you saw an earlier video, I created a purple soap. Purple pigment helps to remove any yellowing from silver, gray, white hair. And because that applies to me, you can do that. You will see the purple tint there that will come out. So it's all cleaned, and before I dry it, what I like to do is do a little styling just to get all of those hairs going in the same direction. So pardon the blow dryer. All right, so that's looking pretty good. You'll, if you saw my video from a couple days ago, you'll know that I took a couple inches off of my mustache in length and above the lip, and I really like the result. It's styling much easier now, and easier to maintain. So we're going to move on to waxing it up now. All right, so we're using this Brass Tacs mustache wax. So this is good stuff. I've done videos with this before. We're going to go ahead and just heat it up a little bit, just till it has like a shiny finish, and then we'll apply it. Typically, I like to keep the heat on my mustache and my fingers while I'm applying it. It just helps with the application and keeps from pulling any hairs. For right now, I'll just go ahead and, because we're doing a video, I'll just go ahead and do it directly like this. I like this over and under move with when I apply mustache wax. And then I use a comb, get that on top. If you've seen my prior videos, you know that this under one, this under comb there, one of the most important. Now the mustache is just a little wet still, and I don't think I really need to apply any more wax to it, but what I do need to do is let that wax set up for about 5-10 minutes, let the mustache dry out, and then maybe just go over it with another top layer just to work on any of those loose ends. And if you get more wax on the end like this, you can really, tighten up that curl. I'll do that over here. And then there's more that we can do with this. Like I said, give it a few minutes. It will firm up as it cools and as the mustache finishes drying. You can also use your blow dryer and just put some cool air over that. But I think you get the idea, and turned out really nice. I'll just do a couple final touches, but overall, you can see that Brass Tacks has an excellent line of products, only some of them that I've represented here today. So in review, we've used the Brass Tacks shave soap, their shave brush, and their mustache wax, and their lotion or balm that are all excellent and well worth it. So go check them out, Brass Tacks, and join us at Keepers of the Stache and Men's Beard and Stash. Thanks for joining, and hope this has been helpful to you. Take care.